I'm dipping in my Civic, I'm bouncing in my Civic, I'm riding in my Civic, I got every gas.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? This your boy LSCHEVYRYDER254. We tune in for another one. This video we are recording with the new microphone. I hope this shit is live. I hope this shit is super lit, cause I made an investment. So I can still keep my GoPro set up and still get y'all better audio quality, all that good stuff. So right here, as you can see, nothing new. Like I said, I'm just testing out this microphone and outside in the garage, you know, where I usually do, and I'm up under there showing y'all stuff and moving around and had a bad quality and all that stuff. So getting down up under there, see, you know, so that exhaust pipe is small, bro. That's gotta be like factory 1.78 inch or something. That shit is small as fuck. Huh? You got a true dual setup though. I did not know that. True dual setup. So that's definitely good to know. Little inside of the Chevelle. Yeah, man. So I just wanted to show y'all what I was working with. I do got a cord attached to me with this microphone. I don't mind it. If I'm doing a video and it's gonna give me better audio and y'all be able to hear me better and it ain't the disturbing rattling noise in the back and shit, then I'm all for it. You know what I'm saying? Like I can even, let's see, boom, do a little experiment here. It ain't gonna stick. Hold on, y'all. It can do like a little, even do like a little experiment, man. Like, hey, that was pretty cool. That might look cool on video. It wasn't supposed to slide though. But anyway, the point that I'm making is that I can set the camera right there and then I can stand back here and then, I mean, depending on where I'm at, you can see the cord. I'm not tripping off the cord. I want you to be able to hear me. That's all that matters. If you can't hear what I'm saying, then the message is lost. If you can't have good video and then have shitty audio. It just don't work like that. So yeah. So while we out here, I guess like one last test would kind of be what it would do like when the car crank. So, let's try the Chevelle. Let's see if the Chevelle gonna cooperate. Oh, I probably should have just did the Chevelle. I mean the CTN. Oh yeah, because I do need a carburetor cap off thing for that one, so I think that's good enough. But where are the CTN keys? Got message and shit. I don't know who it is messaging me. Open up the garage so I don't kill myself. I'll probably let the keys in here. Yep. And 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Alright, y'all. Well, like I said, this is the future. This is the future of LSCHEVYRYDER videos. Better quality, better audio, and sometimes it's just the littlest things that make the biggest difference. So go tell your friends, let them know we back, bitch, with better audio. Also, let them know that we still got these LS swap plates. We're at 520 subs at the time of this video. I don't know when y'all gonna see it. I might just throw it up today. So still got the LS swap plates, 520 subscribers, 80 subscribers to go. Make sure you tell your friends and your family and everybody, your loved ones or your cousins. Make sure you go comment on the video for, as you can see up here or up there, it's gonna be for this is a video you need to watch. And we're going like that. It's your boy LSCHEVYRYDER254. Identify your weaknesses like audio and make them your strengths. Gone.